Hello. That is extremely quiet right now. Hey guys, Bodhi here from Purifier Studios, bringing you another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the Shark NeverChange Air Purifier Compact Pro. Alright guys, this thing I'm very excited for. I've had it for about a couple weeks, but I have not opened it out of the box yet. I've been waiting to make a video on this. It is 2026 now when I am posting this. We are still in my room. Here's a big announcement. I have a full Purifier Studios studio coming soon. I will be doing videos in there from now on. However, we're in here for one last video most likely, but I'm excited to show you guys that. It'll be right here in my house. It'll be a full room slash studio for me to do all my videos in and store a lot of stuff, because storing all these robot vacuums, animatronics, and air purifiers is not cheap. So we do have the instructions right here. The big thing about this air purifier is the filter is supposed to last for 5 years, so you do not have to change the filter all the time. It does have these little things you take out and you just scrape them down and you just put them right back in. But that is the big selling point of this thing. It's not meant to clean an entire house, just kind of like an office. So I'm going to use it in my room for the time being, and then I will move it to my office and studio. So here it is, coming right out of the packaging. This is gray. So here it is in all of its glory. Let's take some of this stuff off. Do not power on, turn upside down, move HEPA filter from plastic. So HEPA filter from plastic. So I think what they're trying to tell us to do there is kind of just like, so you turn it upside down, and let's take, well, they're not talking about this plastic, but you also need to take this plastic off. This is kind of just making sure nothing goes wrong in packaging. There is that done. Now we're gonna unscrew this, take this off, and this is the real HEPA filter that you will not have to change for the next 5 years. Usually you have to replace these every couple months, and that definitely adds up for an air purifier, considering these are usually like at least $20 each. So the fact that we do not have to change this for 5 years is very helpful. All right, so I'm going to put this back in and twist that back up, make sure it locks. And then we're going to take out these, which are the screens. So these are what you are actually going to have to not replace, but just wipe them down every now. This is going to catch the big stuff, so it won't go into the big filter, and you will not have to replace that. But you are going to have to clean that off. Okay, there is only one of those. I thought there was two, but there is not. So I believe the next thing we should do is just turn it on, honestly. So it shows your little, like, not controls, but I'm not sure if this thing has an app or not. I gotta check that out. I don't think so. Understand your air quality. So good is 85 to 100%, which is blue. Fair is 70 to 84%, and then poor is 0 to 69%. And it'll clean your air, like diseases and just bad smells, anything like that. Scan for full instructions right there. I believe this thing will actually on its own, if your air quality is bad, it'll actually ramp up the suction. So it'll really get it done fast, get your air purifier, will get your air quality good. But I am thinking that there is going to be like a sleep function, so it won't do that. Like in the middle of the night, you know. I'm hoping that's there, but let's turn it on and see. All right, y'all, so this is the corner I'm going to be using it in until I get my new space all good and ready. I'm just gonna use it in this corner of my room. So I'm gonna put it down and get this little twist tie off. Currently, I am using the Shark NeverTouch Pro robot vacuum and mop in my house, which if you guys have watched my reviews at all on robot vacuums, you know that is definitely not my favorite one. I actually really don't like that robot. I just think there's a lot more you can get for however much money you're spending on that. You can get a Mofa P10 Pro for $400, but I will also have a new review of that coming out because I have some new thoughts after 8 months. I think I might stop recommending that one, but I still, just because two wrongs do not make a right. So the Shark NeverTouch Pro will still not be something I approve of. I'm gonna find you guys the best robot to get with the money that has an auto empty station and an auto wash station. All right, so plugging in the Shark NeverChange air purifier for the first time, I'm gonna put it in the top rung down here so it kind of covers. I don't have a plug cover down there, so hopefully that covers it a little bit. All right. So it is plugged in now. Peel here. There we go. So that is peeled. So let's try to turn it on. Hello. That is extremely quiet right now. Okay, so it looks like I have really, really good air quality, 100% in here. That is insanely quiet. I don't even think if I put it up to the air purifier, you would hear it. That is kind of insane. So let's try the fan speed. 1, 2, coming up, 3. Is that the highest setting? 4. 5. Auto. So what auto does is that is the function to where it will go all over the place. So if your air purifier or your, I keep saying that, if your air quality gets bad, it will, so it's on level 1 right now because my air quality is at 100%, but say probably like a cat goes right underneath it or a cat farts into it, I don't know. If something happens near it, then that is when it'll actually boost up to like 2 or 3. And then if it gets really bad, like if it's really bad air quality, it'll jump up like to one of those way higher settings. So the information button, I'm not gonna do anything with that. I don't wanna mess with it. But this brightness, so that'll turn down the brightness right there. That'll turn the screen off completely. I'm gonna leave it on this like second brightest setting, just because I am a very light sleeper, and really almost any kind of light triggers me. Like I cannot sleep, so I'm just gonna, because I do like seeing that. I think that's actually a cool little decoration. I really like the way that tech looks, and eventually I'm gonna repaint this. This is really ugly. It doesn't go with the rest of my room. I do like the look of tech, so I am gonna keep that on. But that option is there if you want it really bright or you want it completely not there. So if you want to keep that on, I recommend keeping this sticker on for the first like probably week that you have it, just so you really remember what it's like and what the controls are. But once you're done with that and you know what the controls are, you can take all that off. And there is the Shark NeverChange air purifier for you guys. All right, guys, so that was the Shark NeverChange air purifier. This thing is absolutely amazing. Like I said, I just purchased this thing and just opened it, and my first thoughts are it's absolutely amazing. It really does its job, especially because it has that auto function. It really makes it worth it. The money, it retails for about $250, which definitely is steep. I definitely think for an air purifier, especially for like just one that won't be used for the entire house, this is kind of just an office or bedroom air purifier. But this thing is almost always on sale. It's on sale on Amazon for about $180 right now. And I say, if you can get this thing for under $200, I would say it's worth it. On Amazon, I bought this thing for $120. So definitely worth it if you can get it under $200. But if you have to spend $250 to get this thing, it's a really good air purifier, and I think you will love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will put a link to it and my merch in the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.